Welcome to our journey into the heart of financial freedom. Have you ever dreamed of a life where money worries are a thing of the past, and your choices aren't limited by your bank account? Well, you're in the right place. We're diving into a world where saving smartly, spending wisely, and investing cleverly are your new best friends. In this guide, we'll start from the ground up, building a sturdy financial foundation with an emergency fund that's your safety net for life's little surprises. Then, we'll tackle the daunting mountain of debt and show you how to conquer it, $1 at a time. But that's just the beginning. We'll venture into the realms of retirement savings, insurance, and estate planning, where each decision you make sets you up for a future of comfort, not concern. And because we know that knowledge is power, we'll arm you with the tools to upgrade your education, diversify your investments, and even turn your home into a wealth-building machine. We'll navigate the tricky waters of tax planning, introduce you to the magic of passive income, and reveal why a strong credit score is your golden ticket in the financial world. But it's not all numbers and strategies. We'll explore the importance of giving back, maintaining your health, and building a network that lifts you up. Because at the end of the day, financial freedom isn't just about having more, it's about living more. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And it promises to be an incredible one. Chapter 1, the Safety Net Emergency Fund. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. Your emergency fund is the net waiting to catch you if you fall. It's your first line of defense against life's unexpected turns. Experts suggest saving 6-12 months of living expenses. Why? Because stuff happens. A job loss or a car repair shouldn't throw your life into chaos. In fact, a Federal Reserve report found that 40% of Americans wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money. Start small, save consistently, and watch your safety net grow. Chapter 2, Breaking Free from Debt. High-interest debt. Debt is like a ball and chain that keeps you from running freely towards your financial goals. The average credit card interest rate hovers around 20%. If you're only making minimum payments, you're essentially running on a treadmill. Lots of effort, but you're not going anywhere. The debt avalanche method, where you pay off your highest interest debt first, is a game changer. It's not just about being debt-free, it's about reclaiming your money and your peace of mind. Chapter 3, Securing your future retirement accounts. Did you know that if you start saving $200 a month in your 20s, you could end up with over $1 million by the time you retire, thanks to compound interest? That's the power of starting early and maxing out your contributions to retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks. It's not just about stashing away cash, it's an investment in your future self. And with tax benefits on top, it's like getting free money. Who doesn't love free money? Chapter 4, Your Health, Your Wealth. Health insurance. Medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the United States. Upgrading to a comprehensive health insurance plan is more than a safety net, it's a necessity. A study by the American Journal of Public Health found that 66.5% of all bankruptcies were tied to medical issues. By protecting yourself with a solid health insurance plan, you're not just safeguarding your health, you're protecting your financial well-being too. Chapter 5, Protecting What Matters Most. Life insurance. Life is unpredictable, but ensuring your loved ones are taken care of shouldn't be. Many people overlook life insurance, but it's a critical component of financial planning. Did you know that the payout from a life insurance policy is tax-free? That means your family gets 100% of the benefit, no strings attached. It's not about the money, it's about peace of mind, knowing your loved ones will be okay, no matter what happens. Chapter 6, Income insurance. Disability insurance. You insure your car, your home, even your life, but what about your income? Your ability to earn a paycheck is your most valuable asset. Yet, according to the Social Security Administration, 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before they retire. Disability insurance is the unsung hero of financial planning. It ensures that even if you're unable to work, you can still pay your bills, maintain your lifestyle, and keep your financial goals on track. Chapter 7, Guarding Your Castle. Homeowners, renters insurance. Your home is your castle, and it's filled with your treasures. But did you know that not all homeowners or renters insurance policies are created equal? It's vital to review and upgrade your policy to ensure it covers the full replacement cost of your home and possessions. Surprisingly, a study found that 60% of American homes are underinsured. Don't let that be you. By protecting your home, you're not just covering your assets, you're ensuring your peace of mind. Chapter 8. Leaving a Legacy. Estate planning. Estate planning might sound like something only wealthy people need to worry about, but it's important for everyone. Without a will or trust, the state decides what happens to your assets and, possibly, your children. The famous quote by Benjamin Franklin, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail," rings especially true here. Estate planning is about making your wishes known and minimizing taxes and legal headaches for your heirs. It's a final act of love and responsibility for your family. Chapter 9. The power of knowledge, education and skills. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Whether it's going back to school, learning a new skill, or getting a certification, education can dramatically increase your earning potential. A report by the Georgetown University Center on Education and the Workforce states that college graduates earn $1 million more in earnings over their lifetime compared to high school graduates. But remember, education doesn't have to be formal. Online courses, workshops, and books can also open doors to new opportunities. Chapter 10. Diversify to multiply. Diversified investment portfolio. When it comes to investing, putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes can reduce risk and increase potential returns over the long term. Think of it as a financial smorgasbord. The more varied your investments, the better your chances of weathering market ups and downs. According to Warren Buffett, "Do not put all your eggs in one basket," is all wrong. Put all your eggs in one basket and then watch that basket. But for most of us, spreading our investments is the smarter move. Chapter 11. Real estate as a stepping stone. Real estate investment. Real estate can be a lucrative way to build wealth, whether through rental income, flipping houses, or long-term capital appreciation. It's tangible, often offers a hedge against inflation, and can provide passive income. However, it's not without its risks. Management headaches and market fluctuations can turn your dream investment into a nightmare if you're not careful. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, says, real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth. Chapter 12. Mastering your taxes. Tax planning. Taxes are a fact of life, but paying more than you need to is not. Effective tax planning can help you minimize your tax bill and maximize your savings. Did you know that contributions to retirement accounts can lower your taxable income? Or that certain investments come with tax advantages? It's about knowing the rules of the game and playing them to your benefit. As the saying goes, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Chapter 13. Technology and productivity tools. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead means leveraging the best technology and productivity tools. Did you know that, on average, using productivity tools can save you up to 5 hours per week? That's like finding extra time you never knew you had. From budgeting apps that track your spending to investment platforms that manage your portfolio, technology is a game changer. It's not just about doing more in less time, it's about doing it smarter. Chapter 14. Building bridges. Professional network. Your network is more than just a list of contacts, it's a web of support, advice, and opportunities. Your network is your net worth, as Porter Gale once said, highlights the immense value of the connections you make. Attending industry conferences, joining professional associations, or even participating in online forums can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you. Chapter 15. Earning while you sleep. Passive income streams. Imagine earning money while you're sleeping, on vacation, or even while you're working your day job. That's the power of passive income. From dividend investing to writing a book or creating an online course, passive income streams can provide financial stability and freedom. According to a study by the IRS, over 10% of Americans report some form of passive income. The key is finding the right avenue for you and investing time and resources into making it grow. Chapter 16. Credit score improvement. A strong credit score is like a VIP ticket in the financial world. It can unlock lower interest rates, better insurance premiums, and more negotiating power. The difference between a good and excellent credit score can mean thousands of dollars saved in interest over a lifetime. Simple strategies, such as paying bills on time, keeping balances low, and regularly checking your credit report for errors, can boost your score significantly. Remember, a good credit score is a reflection of your financial health. Chapter 17. Charitable giving. Giving back is not just good for the soul, it can also be good for your wallet. Charitable giving can provide significant tax deductions, but more importantly, it's a way to contribute to causes you care about. Philanthropy can also be a part of your legacy, reflecting your values and priorities. As Winston Churchill famously said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." It's about making a difference, $1 at a time. Chapter 18, Health and Wellness. Last but not least, investing in your health and wellness is crucial. The saying, "Health is wealth," is more than just a cliche, it's a fundamental truth. Regular checkups, a gym membership, or practicing mindfulness can prevent costly medical bills down the line and improve your quality of life. A study by the American Journal of Health Promotion found that healthy eating and regular exercise could save an individual up to $2,500 a year in medical costs. Your health is your most valuable asset. Take care of it.